they've taken the hood off. How cool is this? Big wheels and tyres under the back. How nice is this? I'm loving the makeshift steering wheel here. Hey, if it gets the job done, do you not like the Willis Coupes? They're awesome. Welcome to the NSRA Southern Swap Meet. We've got an entire car park full of classics. At the top, we've got to start off with this. Metal flake all over. We've got the Harlem Shuffle. We've seen this at Cool Flow with the metal flake, the wheelie bars at the back. We have seen this out before, but always cool to see. On the left of that, BMW that stanced all the way to the floor. Starting on the main section now of the show. This is where the main lineup is. They have car parking for not just the classics, but also all of the regular cars. The fan on this has been going since we got here. I was hoping they're going to have a flat battery by the time they get ready to leave. We got the big 55 Buick Special down here next to Pontiac Wagon. Don't think I've seen this one before. Liking that a lot. On the right of this, or on its left, we have the Dodge Charger in the nice green. As we've got the Buick coming up on its left. I'm a Mopar person, so we're going to check this out. Liking it a lot. Down from that, we got the two big Dodge Rams, the Chevy truck down here next to the Ford pickup as well. We've got a GMC bogey van right through here, and another one of the Chevy trucks. We've got a lot of Chevy trucks down here. You always get a lot of Chevys down here at the swap meet in the car park. Like I said, this could be a quick stroll just through the car park, having a look what is here. There's stuff for sale. And there's stuff we haven't seen before. Now, the Torino here, I believe this was down here last year. I think I've done this video for the last 2 years. So if you want to see what that's like, check out the videos from the last couple of years. We've got the Ford Hop, and we got the Ford pickup again. One I haven't seen out for probably over a year now. This was down at one of the Brooklands events. I can't remember which one it was, but it was down there. Again, not one that gets seen out very often. Big wheels and tyres under the back as well. Nice Cadillac just through here. Do love the Caddies. Got the patina green Chevy as well next to the Anglia. And check the Zephyr out here. How nice is this? Lovely dark, almost candy apple red. Lovely interior, convertible as well. Never know what you're going to see down here at the swap meet. We've got the 64 Falcon in a nice white finish here, the two-door, little power bulge on the hood. I believe that is all the air intake. I'm not entirely sure on those, but I've got the Zephyr on the left of it as well. And we'll head through to the second row of the cars. We've got the Ford Cortina pickup here. Liking this a lot. Nice little package there. I'm liking the look of that as we have the big Cadillac driving through. The 98 Toyota Supra with the big wing on the back and the massive lifted Chevy. Probably the tallest motor we're going to see here today. We've got the Galaxy 500 wagon. Loving the look of this. It looks like a proper NASCAR sort of stock car. One of these sort of ambulance types that you'd see down at one of the NASCAR tracks. I'm referring to like the old sort of videos. I'm liking the look of this a lot. We got the, I'm going to say 35 for pickup. I'm not sure on that. Might be earlier, might be later. We got the 34 here. Loving the paintwork on this. Again, a purple. This is like a blue sort of metallic colour. It's got the flames down the side. Really nice. We've got the all grey Dodge Mopar Ram. Next to that again we got another one of the Ford pickups. Same year I think. They look the same. Liking them though. And we have, is this an Austin of some type? I'm not sure on this one. It's quite a unique looking little one here. We've got the Ford Fairlane here. Next to, is this the Ford Comet? Do like these. No one that is very blinged up version of this. Next to the Lotus And we have the GMC sort of Suburban. We've got the Rubicon Jeep. And we have the Dakota Sport Dodge Ram as well. Another one of the Chevy pickups. Don't see this shape all that often. Quite a rare shape from what I know, especially being short bed step side with the front grille like this. We have the Buick. Don't think this is a Rivera. It's not a Rivera. Sure, I know exactly what this is. I can't think what it is though. It was in the Brighton Run video and I looked something up specifically. We got a real nice selection down here. We got the Ford Falcon. This one's for sale, 23 grand. Nice, bright yellow. We have a couple of cars that have left, but I don't think that's making much of an impact on today's video. We've got some really nice cars down here. We've got the Ford van as well, and we'll head down to our third row. Heading down into the third row, we've got the Dodge, really liking this, on air ride as well, very low to the ground. We've got the yellow type windows there, I'm assuming that's for the sort of airflow. We've got the Ford pickup again, and we've got another one of the Chevy trucks. Again, lots of trucks down here this year. On the right of those, we have the Ford Econoline van, liking it in white, very stock looking. We have the Dodge police car with all the lights and kit. Another one very similar to this that comes down to a lot of the regular shows. Got the white Ford Cortina here as well. Chevy here is for sale. There is your details. It is a Silverado 10 in a nice grey. Liking the look of this from the exterior. Looks good. Didn't read the advert. We got to keep on the move. We got CJ's police car down here as well. Now we know the lights and sirens work on this. There ain't many places that goes quietly. We got another one of the Chevy pickups. Liking it a lot. The 3100 here. And we got the Willys Coupe. Liking this a lot. Have I seen this one before? It's in the sort of primer grey. I feel like I've seen this before, but I can't remember. I do like this. Liking it a lot. I mean, to be fair, how can you not like the Willys Coupes? They're awesome. A very dusty black Nova was down here again last year. Remember seeing this. Cool car. What is most likely going to be my favourite car of the show. I believe it's a 73, but we got the Roadrunner down here in the Petty livery. Loving it. We got Petty Blue or Corporation Blue. We got the 43 on the door, on the roof, tiny little wing on the back. Liking this a lot. Not one I think I've actually seen in person before. There's another one of these that goes around. It's got a lot more stickers on it than this one, but liking that a lot. And colour coded as well, accurate blue wheels. Very, very bright yellow Camaro here with the matching black. No chrome. It looks like they've blacked out all the chrome. Gives it quite a unique look. I'm realising I'm slowly running out of time here because I've got to get back into the swap meet. We're going to quickly go through this now. We've got the Zodiac on our left. We've got the Victor here, which we saw at Tornado. Not Tornado. I'm thinking of something else. We have the Dodge. What one is this? It's got the Super B badge on the side, but it's got 392 Hemi in it. Got another one of the Chevy trucks. And we have a Ford with a Mopar lump in it. It says Mopar Performance. As far as I'm concerned, do I lose half my viewership here and say they've made an upgrade? I'm a Mopar guy. How can I not say something that says Mopar on it is not going to be my preference? We got another one, Chevy C10 here. These are odd. They can be in short bed, long bed. I think in long bed they look slightly better. The C10s, in my opinion, I'm not sure if they suit short bed, but we'll see. We'll see as we go along what else we find. Let me recenter my camera. We got one up on the trailer here. Liking this a lot. The patina paintwork. That's not paintwork, it's actual patina on this. As we have the Nova just starting up behind us. Ultimate vehicle to bring down to the swap meet is the Volkswagen Transporter here. Looks like they may have actually purchased some items here today as well. Very, very thin wheels on the front of this. can imagine it must be fun to drive, but I like the look of it. So where the Volkswagen was, there is very little left down here. We're going to have to go down into the 4th row. We've got the Dodge Ram down there. We've got another Dodge Ram here. We have one of the, is it a Fiesta? I'm learning modern cars. We've got another one of the Chevys down here, as we got another Ram rolling out. So we've got a real good mix of cars down here today. We're just going to make the quick walk through. We've got the Mustang down here. We haven't seen many Mustangs today. Nearly getting hit by the Dodge. That's not a worse way to go. Mopar, you know, I can't complain with that. Tiny squeak there, just a tad. I know the feeling. We got mine's squeaking a little bit. We've got a few issues to sort on that. Now, check this out for a hood, which, oh, this isn't, they have taken the hood off. How cool is this? Metal all peeled back with flames painted on, engine exposed through it. This might be quite a pain to actually work on. Can you imagine getting yourself caught on these? It does have safety pins here, so it looks like that can come off. But I don't see a hood in the back of this, so I have a feeling that is how it's driven. Respect. You can tell we have some very, very nice vehicles down here. A mix of everything. We haven't had many movie cars, but we have some supernatural down here as well. We have the GTO, the Judge. Liking this a lot. Don't think I've seen this one before. Liking it, liking it. We got the Cadillac, and we have another one of the Cadillacs. We've got the Coupe de Ville here, the 64, which appears to be for sale. Is it 10 grand, I think? I can't tell if that advert's for the car or not. We're going to keep on the move around here. We've got the little Volkswagen next to Ford, is it? I think it's a 40s, Ford Deluxe. But a real good mix of all different cars down here. Again, what surprises me today? We've got an Escort, first one we've seen today. What surprises me? We haven't seen really any Mustangs today. Now normally at all the shows, the Mustangs are very, very popular, very common. I'm not the biggest fan of Mustangs. I do like them, I do like Mach 1s. But I'm surprised, haven't seen loads. But let's head down to the 5th row. So I believe we're either in the 4th or 5th row now. And we're just going to keep on the move, looking through the car park at what we have down here. Got the GMC, liking it, big motor. Looks like we've double parked them. And now, as I was saying with the Mustangs, here we go, black and white Mustang. We got the 68 Charger RT with the big block 440 in it, going off the number plate on that. I don't actually know what's under the hood, but liking this a lot. For sale as well, part of UK Mopars as well. I really like the for sale sign. That's custom. I like that. That's cool. Got the blue El Camino Classic here. Again, another one that is for sale. This says it's for 11.5 grand. There is your details paused there if you're interested. It's got the 5.7 litre V8. Liking it. Does look pretty good. The rows are kind of split here now. I'm liking the Chevy here, the Apache. Paintwork really sets this off. Bodywork looks real nice. Lovely bright white interior. Very clean. This just looks real good, I think. The paintwork sets this off with the body. Looks really nice. We got a pretty rare one here, the Plymouth GTX 1966. I'm liking this. I saw this down here last year. Always catches my eye. Love the little styling they have on these. Just nice looking motor. Got another one of the Chevy trucks, and we got the Mercury here as well. First one of these we've seen today. Nice look. Got green GTO down here. We got Volvo. Got another one of the Ford pickups. We've got a lot of nice stuff down here, and we got one of the it's like an amphibian type car. Let's have a look at it. Is this like land and sea? It looks like it should float, doesn't it? A little different, this. Cool, heading down to, I think this is the 6th or 7th row now. We've got the Corvette. I'm liking that, liking it. We got the Volkswagen Beetle. We have the first MG, I think, that we've seen today. Liking the big horns on the front, little American flags as well. Another one, Chevys. We've got another one, Camaro. I can't remember the year on that one. I should know it. I'm slowly getting there, but we're just looking through, and we're in to, I think, second to last final row here. I can see something in the background I'm liking a lot. We've got another one of the GTOs. I just realised the GTO on my left, I'm not sure if that was actually a GTO or it was just the standard, but who knows. So we've got the Dodge Ram there, and then we have the Big Ram. Big Ram is what we came down in today as a passenger ride. Now let me put my coffee cup in the back of Big Ram here, because, you know, we can forget that I actually put it here and it will be floating around for ages then. Right, note to self, remember to pick this up. Got another Ram just parked up near, plus we've got another one of the trucks. Come down to another rare one here. We have the Vauxhall Forenza. Seen this out quite a few places. Gets out to a lot of our local shows as well. Great car, great owner. Got another one of the Chevy day vans there. We got the Morris Minor. We got the Ford Perfect here. We got the Rover. We got the Chevy with big light bar on the front. And we got the Vauxhall Cresta as well. I'm counting anything on my left as a public car park, so the Capri that's down there, the Chevy van, we ain't going to be looking at those. We've got to get back into the show. I'm spending quite a while out here, so we're going to finish off with the final row here, just quickly walking through. We've got still quite a few nice things to see, such as the International. That's a rare thing. Let me get a picture of that. I'm not sure what the time is, but we're starting to get some cars leaving, so I definitely picked the right time to start doing this quick walk around of the car park. This is hopefully just giving you a brief overview of what is down here. We got a classic Mopar, got the 47 Plymouth down here, liking that a lot. Got another Mopar. I'm really going in for the Mopars today, always am. We've got the Chrysler. The reason I've got Mopars on the mind right now, because we're coming up to the 70 Roadrunner, which I haven't seen for, well, I think since last year. I don't know where it actually goes, what other shows it does, but you don't see it out often. We've got a Chevy Apache, is it? I'm loving the makeshift steering wheel here. Hey, if it gets the job done. But look at this little lineup down here. We got the Dodge GTS in black with the red stripe. This is looking real nice. I don't think I've seen this before. If I have, I've forgotten it. I'm liking that a lot. And on the right of that, we have the 70 Roadrunner. I'm going to have that as a big choice on mine because I love the Superbirds. That would be my plan. I do like that a lot. And we have the Chevy Bel Air. Is this one? Doesn't say Bel Air, but liking it a lot. And so I think that may bring us to the end of this walk around of the NSRA Supernats, and it's not Supernats, is it? Nope, the NSRA Swap Meet. They both start with S's. But it has been a very good meet. We're going to head back inside and see if I can actually find anything to buy. That would be an achievement. We'll see what happens. I had ideas of doing different videos from today. Didn't quite work out. We'll see, maybe next year. We're going to have a big year of it this year. Lots of plans, lots of things that we're going to be trying to do. So we shall see. But if you have enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to see more of this sort of stuff, and leave a comment if you've got an idea for a video you'd like to see me try and make. Hey, I'm up for doing a lot of stuff. If you've got a car you'd like a feature video on, or drone videography or whatever, hey, send me a message. We can work stuff out. Anyway, till next time everyone, make sure to keep yourself safe out there, and see you all soon. Bye.